Hello world. This is John. Japan is unique for many things. For today's Japan encounter, we are going to visit the transparent restrooms of Tokyo, Japan. If you are wondering how a transparent toilet would look like, let's go. Japan is known for its high-tech toilets, and recently, they are bringing up another innovation on restroom industry. To address the concerns on public toilets' safety and cleanliness, Tokyo unveiled the transparent toilets in the bustling city center Shibuya district in August 2020. The two see-through restrooms were installed in two Shibuya parks, Haruno-Ogawa Community Park and on this video is located at Yoyogi Fukamaki Mini Park. Users may hide themselves from exposure when entering the toilet by properly locking its doors. The high-tech glass stalls in the toilets become opaque and seems frozen when locked, and when the toilets are not occupied, the glass stalls are transparent, enabling users to check for cleanliness and safety before entering. This park facility includes a women's toilet, a men's toilet and a multi-use toilet. This toilet is surprisingly user-friendly even for people with physical disability. This comfort room is installed with things you would expect in a Japanese toilet such as washlet or bidet, baby chair, baby bed, urinal and censored faucets. The colorful transparent toilet stalls were designed by Shigeru Ban, the Pritzker Prize-winning Japanese architect, and use smart glass to create a transparent effect when not in use. This is launched by Nippon Foundation for their Tokyo Toilet Project. 12 more new public toilets are coming between August 31st and the summer of 2021. All the facilities will be constructed by Daiwa House Group, the largest home builder in Japan, with toilet equipment and layout advice provided by famed Japanese toilet manufacturer Toto Limited. At night, the transparent restroom lights up the park like a beautiful lantern. Thank you for watching. See you on my next Japan encounter.